complex numbers uses the exact same concepts as adding or subtracting polynomials, thinking of the I as a variable essentially. Although we do know that I is actually a number, I is the square root of -1. But the concept is just to collect the like terms together. So, in the first problem we have a 3 and a 5 that are being subtracted from each other. 3 minus 5 is the number -2. So we have -2. Then we have -2 minus -3. -2 minus in between -3 and -2 minus -3 would be -2 plus 3, which is just the number 1. So the final answer to this problem is going to be the -2 for what we call the real part, and then we're going to have one copy of this imaginary unit, which is I. So usually you would write this answer as -2 plus I because there's no need for the 1. Okay, try it again here. Now we're adding 6, -3 being added. 6 plus -3 is +3. Then we have a +2 and a -1i, so we're taking a 2 plus a -1, and 2 plus -1 is just 1, so we have one copy of our I unit, and the final answer then is 3 plus 1i. Oftentimes we'll write this as 3 plus I. So try one on your own here. Collect like terms on these numbers. -2 plus 5i minus -3 plus 2i. Same idea. -2 minus the number -3 would be -2 plus 3, which is 1 in the real part. On the other side we have 5 minus the number 2, and 5 minus 2 is just 3, and that's on the imaginary part. And so we'll just simply add those together, and the final answer would be 1 plus 3i.